Okay, we're back. Our composite object today is a cylinder sitting on top of and let's check it out. It's not a rectangular prism. Specifically, this is a cube. How do I know that? All three sides are exactly the same. Okay, so remember the first thing I told you, a great coping strategy is to figure out where the overlap is. The overlap is where the two composite objects meet, and it happens to be in the shape of a circle, and it would be two of them, the bottom of the cylinder and the spot where it's sitting on there. If we spray painted this whole thing, pulled it apart, bottom of the cylinder wouldn't be spray painted. The circle where it was sitting on top of the cube would also not be painted. So we're going to jump right in. We do this in pieces. I always label my objects in the composite object by letter. So now I'm going to take care of the cylinder. 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. And remember, I try to eliminate, if I can, first. And so I would only be dealing with 2 pi rh. The radius here, let's go back and take a look here. I'm going to try and do this to you every single time, so you really have to think. The diameter is 2. Therefore, the radius is equal to 1 centimeter, half of that times 1. And then the height of this thing is 4. Okay, grab a calculator if you need to, or you can do it old school. Okay, and I got that is around 25 and 12 1/100ths centimeters squared, and I'm going to circle it. Remind myself that when I do total surface area, I have to add things together. Now I'm going to move to the cube. Okay, cube is made up of squares. Side squared is the formula for that. We've already taken care of the overlap, so we have to think about how many sides does a cube have? 6, so times 6. So we're going to go 4 squared times 6. 4 squared is 16. 16 times 6 is 96 centimeters squared. And now I have to add the two of those pieces together because I'm looking for total surface area. And you should get around 121 and 12 1/100ths centimeter squared. Okay, that went pretty quick. Took us 2 minutes to do that question. All right, so I'm going to stop there and I'm going to draw another one. We're going to do a cube sitting on top of a triangular prism.